Built at the cost of 5 billion NT over the course of 10 years, the Kaohsiung Port Cruise Terminal formally opened on Monday. Premier Chen Chien-jen made the trip to the city to attend the opening ceremony. The new terminal offers services in 4 languages through automated voice-to-text translation to kiosks.
It has 26 gates for customs inspection, up from the 12 of the old terminal. Kaohsiung's new cruise terminal draws upon the movement of waves in its structural design and has a curvy ceiling, reminiscent of an opera house. The terminal has a viewing platform on the 3rd floor where you can have a panoramic view of Kaohsiung's beautiful sea vistas.